Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an insurance policy tracker in Excel. If you want to keep all your insurance policies organized, monitor expiration dates, and get automatic alerts, this step-by-step tutorial is for you. Step 1. Set up your workbook. First, open Excel and create a new blank workbook. In the first row, enter your column headers. Policy type, home, auto, health, provider, insurance company, policy number, policyholder, name effective date, start date, expiration date, premium amount, contact person, das agent notes. These headers will organize your insurance data. Step 2. Convert your data to a table. Select all your headers and data cells. Press Ctrl plus T or go to Insert Greater Than Table. Make sure the checkbox, My Table Has Headers, is selected. Then click OK. Tables make it easier to filter, sort, and manage your policies. Step 3. Input your insurance data. Now, fill in all your insurance details row by row. Include provider names, policy numbers, start and end dates, premium amounts, and agent contacts. Step 4. Use formulas for automation to track how many days are left before a policy expires. Add a new column called Days Left. Enter the formula equals expiration, date cell, minus today. Parenthesis, replace expiration date cell with the cell containing the expiration date. This calculates the number of days remaining until the policy expires. Optional, create an expiration status column with this formula. IF at day cell is expiration date cell. Today, 0, expired. EF keys, expiration date cell. Today, 30, expiring soon. Active. This will categorize your policies automatically. Step 5. Apply conditional formatting. Select your days left or expiration status column. Go to Home greater than conditional formatting greater than new rule. Highlight expired policies in red, value less than 0, and expiring soon in yellow, value less than 30. Now you can visually see which policies need attention. Step 6. Use data validation for consistency. For columns like policy type or provider, select the column. Go to Data plus Data Validation, List, and enter your predefined options, like Home, Auto, and Health. This creates a drop-down list and prevents errors when entering data. Step 7. Add a clear title. At the top of your sheet, type Insurance Policy Tracker and format it with bold text, larger font, or a background color. This makes your tracker easy to identify at a glance. Optional enhancements. Freeze the top row so headers stay visible. View. Greater than freeze panes, greater than freeze top row. Filter or sort policies by type, provider, or expiration date. Create charts to visualize active, expiring, and expired policies. With this Excel Insurance Policy Tracker, you'll never miss a renewal date. You can easily monitor premiums and stay organized with all your policies in one place. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.